Hi and welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time to my channel then welcome, and I hope you find something educational or interesting enough to stick around because I would love to see more people learning Scottish Gaelic. So today I thought we could do the days of the week. I know there's been a suggestion for months of the year, but I do think that they can be a little bit complicated and more difficult to remember, so I thought it would be nice to start with days of the week. So obviously you have your 7 days, but on Sunday you have two options. So we'll start off Monday, which is Diluain. Diluain, Diluain. And then you have Tuesday, Dimàirt, Dimàirt, Dimàirt. Wednesday, Diciadain, Diciadain, Diciadain. Thursday, Diardaoin, Diardaoin, Diardaoin. Friday, Dihaoine, Dihaoine, Dihaoine. Saturday, Disathairne, Disathairne, Disathairne. And Sunday, Didòmhnaich, Didòmhnaich, Didòmhnaich. Now the other option for Sunday is Sàbaid, Sàbaid, and that's your Sabbath or your Lord's Day. So we'll go over those again. Your 7 days of the week. Diluain, that's Monday. Diluain, Dimàirt, Tuesday. Dimàirt, Diciadain, Wednesday. Diciadain, Diardaoin, Thursday. Diardaoin, Dihaoine, Friday. Dihaoine, Disathairne, Saturday. Disathairne, and Didòmhnaich, Sunday. Didòmhnaich, or Sàbaid. So that's Sàbaid. So I hope you find that interesting, and again, any suggestions, please leave them below because I love interacting with you all. Okay, so I will see you in my next video. Bye.